Maori Football New Zealand was formed in 2008 to increase the popularity of football within Maori and Polynesian communities. Our objectives are to bring more players into the game.
So I've grown up going to the marae and experiencing being my people and everything, so it's really nice to be able to join two things that I love, sport and my culture. It just helps me embrace different sides because I know they've got the power of my ancestors and I know that everybody else does, and it just makes everybody feel connected because we all have like the same mindset.
You have a cultural connection on a deeper level, so like whether it's through your iwi, your waka, whatever, like everyone has a connection in some way and everyone has the same values. And I think we do it a lot for our family. I think that whole heritage and that whole connection, we're really proud to be playing for our family but also for the New Zealand Māori.
So I'm from Christchurch, same as Weari. I reside over in North New Brighton, so yeah, over on the east side of Christchurch. You know, there's such a disconnect between normal football federations down south and your Māori side. You don't really get that connection. You come here and you can, join all the boys for a weekend. It's brilliant. Where you come from, there's something different about being in an environment with people who are like indigenous like you. I mean, I grew up not super connected to my Māori culture, and I felt like I really missed out. And this is a chance for me to sort of get in touch with my Māori culture and my heritage and learn a bit more about that and be more involved in it, but also share that with others who are in the similar position to where I was when I was a youth, sort of growing up. And it gives huge satisfaction, not just the coaching part and the football stuff, which is great, but also to give those opportunities which I didn't have at the same age, and give them a bit of a head start from where I am now. Yeah, it's so much more than just the football is the thing. So it's bringing these people together from all across the country, different walks of life, different backgrounds, different awarenesses of their culture, and bring them in under football, but it's so much more than football. It also brings out their cultural identities and things which they may not have had all that much connection with in the past. So they often come in with the idea that we're going to play a bit of football and it's going to be great. But then there's so much more, and it's so much richer than that. Totally. Yep. I'm not a cook by profession. I'm just a mum. So yeah, just wanted to be able to give back, support the Maori football, with my son being a player. So yeah.
And how important is that for you, Maori football?
Oh, it's hugely important. For me, it's myself. I'm not Maori, but my husband, my late husband, was.
So for me, it's about paying it forward and looking after the next generation so that they can see what they need to step up and do to support the younger ones that come behind them, because it's not a one-off event, it's something that is a lasting legacy.